It was supposed to be just another ordinary day. Until everything changed. A surprising twist has just been revealed, taking everyone by surprise. And, believe me, you won't want to miss out on this. Every second counts. And the truth may be even more shocking than we imagined. So, subscribe to our channel right now and turn on notifications. The Los Angeles Chargers are ranked 22nd in this year's NFL Draft and have good options to reinforce their offensive line. Bring in a tight end or even a high-level wide receiver. However, one name is starting to draw attention within the franchise: Ashton Jeanty. Although he is not a unanimous name at the top of the picks, Jeanty has everything to be a key piece on any team looking for an explosive running back, and the Chargers seem to be monitoring the situation closely. According to Mike Prater from KTIK 95.3 FM The Ticket, the team had a representative present at the players' professional day. Many might say that the presence was just part of the talent scouting routine, since practically every NFL franchise was present. But there is one important detail. Coach Jim Harbaugh and offensive coordinator Greg Roman are avowed fans of the physical style of play, known as smashmouth football. They have already brought in Najee Harris to be the main piano carrier, but are not committed to him long-term. This leaves room for a talented prospect like Jeanty to enter the rotation and, who knows, take over the lead in the future. Obviously, investing in the best running back in the class means giving up reinforcements at other needy positions, such as the offensive line. But with an impressive 2,601 yards and 29 touchdowns last season, in addition to an average of 7.0 yards per attempt, Jeanty alongside Justin Herbert seems to be a promising combination. What do you think, fans? Is it worth investing in Jeanty? Or should the Chargers focus on other positions? Leave your opinion in the comments and stay on our channel for more exclusive updates.